Home buyers, Mumbaikars from Mumbai. Today I, Surang Borwa from Regrove Infrastructure Private Limited is here to tell you the top properties in Kharghar offering digital amenities like internet Wi-Fi connectivity to the residents. If you are looking to buy a digital amenity specific flat for sale in Kharghar, then you are at the right place. We know it's very hard for you and for your family to find the best suited apartment when there are huge number of options available to you. Also, as an individual and an investor, you have demands with other factors such as budget, size, amenities, facilities, among other things. So here I have compiled the top 6 properties in Kharghar offering digital amenities like internet Wi-Fi connectivity to the residents, and I have also verified them across various parameters which I will be telling you throughout the course of this video. Now let's move forward. At number 1 we have Gami Viona. Gami Viona has been developed by Gami Group. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK at 63 lakhs onwards, 2 BHK at 81 lakhs onwards. It's currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project it is location advantage, 5 minutes walking distance from upcoming metro station, close to Central Park and 18-hole golf course, close to Taloja Panchan railway station, located off Old Mumbai Pune road. Market, hospitals, schools, colleges are all in close proximity to this project. Nearby planned mega commercial hub of Navi Mumbai, close to Pandavkara waterfall and 15-minute drive from proposed Navi Mumbai International Airport. Then at number 2 we have Niharika Absolute. Niharika Absolute has been developed by Juhi developers. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK at 44 lakhs to 60.7 lakhs and 2 BHK at 62 lakhs to 1.08 crores. It is currently in the under construction stage. The top use for this project is it is strategically located top quality apartments at affordable prices with a bouquet of all modern amenities. Other project USPs include its location advantage Kharghar, well connected to Mumbai-Pune Expressway at 6 km, Old Mumbai-Pune Highway at 0.5 km, Central Park, one of the largest gardens in Asia spread across 290 acres at 3.2 km and 18-hole golf course at 3.2 km. Then at number 3rd we have Total Global Anandam. Total Global Anandam has been developed by Total Global Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK at 48 lakhs to 56.5 lakhs and 2 BHK at 69 lakhs to 81 lakhs and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project is it offers luxurious 1 and 2 BHK apartments spread across 7.5 acres of land parcel, artistically located close to the upcoming metro station of Kharghar. 7 luxurious towers of 11 stories each, easy access to road and rail transportation. It also has an open air lounge. Other project USPs include its location advantage, 60 minutes to CST station, 45 minutes to BKC, 5 minutes to Vashi, 120 minutes to Pune, 2 kilometers to metro station, 40 minutes to Navi Mumbai International Airport, and nearby education institute and hospital are all in close proximity to this project. Mini theatre at 4.2 kilometers to metro station is also in close proximity. Then number 4 we have Sai World Empire. Sai World Empire has been developed by Paradise Group of Builders and Developers. It lies in the price range of 2 BHK at 1.22 crores onwards, 3 BHK at 1.58 crores onwards, and 4 BHK at 2.7 crores onwards, and is currently in the under construction stage. The top USP for this project it is connectivity. Sector 7 at 5 km 25 minutes, Science Park at 6 km 30 minutes, Sivasdara at 5 km 25 minutes, Kharghar at 3 km 15 minutes, and Nerul at 5 km 25 minutes. Then at number 5th we have Adhiraj Capital City. Adhiraj Capital City has been developed by Adhiraj Constructions Private Limited. It is one of the most luxurious projects of Kharghar and has one of the tallest towers in Kharghar. It lies in the price range of 1 BHK at 68 lakhs onwards, 2 BHK at 1.2 crores onwards, 3 BHK at 1.62 crores onwards, and 4 BHK at 1.57 crores onwards, and is currently in the under construction stage. Top USP for this project is it is located within 5-10 minutes from 5 mega projects of Kharghar like BKC2 metro station, Central Park, golf course, Iskon temple with easy access to the proposed airport, marina, and MTHS ceiling. Other project USPs include it has Navi Mumbai's first price position and it is located in Navi Mumbai first price capital, that is Kharghar. It has commercial complex, park and high street all within a 40-acre city. It is number first and only 7-star lifestyle club, and it is first in the region to cluster civil structure towers. Then at number 6 we have Arihant Clan Alishan. Arihant Clan Alishan has been developed by Arihant Superstructures Limited. It is again one of the most luxurious projects of Kharghar. Lies in the price range of 1 BHK at 58 lakhs to 65 lakhs, 2 BHK at 75 lakhs to 1.15 crores, 3 BHK at 1.25 crores to 1.5 crores, and is currently in under construction stage. The top USP for this project is its connectivity. Sector 7 at 5 km 25 minutes, Science Park at 6 km 30 minutes, Seavoods Dara at 5 km 25 minutes, Khaga is at only 3 km 15 minutes, and Nerul at 5 km 25 minutes. Talking about the infrastructure, Sanjeevani International at 4 km 20 minutes, MIDC Road at 5 km 25 minutes, Ryan International School at 4 km 20 minutes, Little World Mall at 5 km 25 minutes, and Carmel Communal School at 4 km 20 minutes. Talking about the neighborhood, Taloja at 4 km 20 minutes, Kalamboli at 5 km 25 minutes, Kamothe at 5 km 25 minutes, and then Seawoods at 6 km 30 minutes. Other project USPs include it is one of the biggest luxurious townships project of Navi Mumbai. It has combination of both commercial and residential plots. So these are the top 6 properties in Khaga offering digital amenities like internet, Wi-Fi connectivity to the residents. I hope you like this video, and these are the best options available to you. If you are interested in buying a property over here, you should contact us, the Regrowth team, so we can offer you the best prices, best discounts, best offers, and also let you know further details about the project. The contact information for the same is given below in the description below. Thank you.